little bit about Jabil. We're a global manufacturing services provider. Overall, it's been a very positive experience working with ViTrox, both on the solution you see here behind me, but also opportunities we have going forward. If I'm to look at future opportunities, this has been a very important relationship in navigating the digital space, specifically the digital factory space, very efficiently together. I think together we're going to be a lot more successful and put Jabil in a very good position.
So with the V1 right now, it helped us overcome our difficulty in being able to provide real-time feedback to our customer.
V1 is helping us to remote our AOI programming without having to stand or stay on spot of AOI machines. Sitting there, I could do 2 programs on 2 different bays at the same time. This is how AOI smart programming and V1 are connected to each other, and this is how a ViTrox AOI machine is lead out technology AOI programming in United States, and it helps us to bring up Jabil abilities and capabilities to reduce downtime and expand more productivities.
So one of the features that we really like here on the V1 is the performance summary. As an NPI side, we're able to sort different products and identify which one we can improve on. In addition to that, our quality team can visually see how our FPPM and DPPM are, and then we compare that to the actual results that we have on a daily basis. And then moving forward, here you see on top of the screens, we can actually see how each machine is performing. It's visible to everyone if anything is idle, and we can easily go and fix the problem, or maybe identify what machine needs to be improved on, have more allocation performed on it. On this side right here, this one gives us a detailed analysis of the defects that we see per customer, per assembly, and it helps us identify, okay, for this impact, why is it that we have this kind of defect, what's being called out, the part number, and what assembly.
Yes, before V1, engineers had to perform fine-tuning directly onto the front of the machine. So this means that we had to work live in front of the machine. By using V1, we're able to use V2, because it allows us to see any mistakes, any questions that the QC may have or that AOI may flag. Without interrupting our machines, we're able to reduce the downtime efficiently. And by doing that, that has cut our costs down incredibly. And we're able to have better results, better testing, and better performance. And I just think VTune and V1 are a great addition.
So the VVTS is an amazing tool for us because we can have like the image or the same information that the QCs are using in the same time. So like in this case, we can check the golden image, the defect image, and the 3D image, and both even the engineer level, QC level, and technician level can see the information. So this will open like a discussion between all the levels. We can say, hey, you look on this part, and we can look this part, and we make like a decision with all the information.
It's been our pleasure to work with Jabil San Jose on this implementation of ViTrox V1. This has been a very successful project, and Jabil stands as a reference for what is possible when V1 is fully utilized. We look forward to working together on future projects.